Hi, my name's Kyle. I am the foreman of Knox Mechanical. We're a sub-company of Knox Contracting. I am the plumber gas fitter for the company, and I maintain all of the plumbing rules for Knox Mechanical. I love what I do because I get to work with my hands. It's interestingly creative. You'll have a fantastic experience. We have a lot of knowledge between all of the teammates here. When you leave a customer's house and you've given them water, which is obviously an essential to live, it's quite satisfying being able to solve the problems. You get to leave a hero, and that's one of my favorite parts about my job.